Assalamu alaikum, my beloved students of class 9. How are you all? Hope you all are fine by the grace of Almighty Allah. Alhamdulillah, I am also fine by the grace of Almighty Allah. Welcome to NIEVS Home School. This is Wahid Noor, Assistant Teacher of Islamic Studies, National Ideal English Version School, Day Shift. Today I am going to conduct the class of Islamic Studies for class 9. And today our topic is Chapter 1, Lesson 3 and 4, Discussion. Lecture number 3, and there is HW number 2. Students, last two classes we discussed about the Islam, about the Iman, and how many parts of Iman are there. And today I will discuss about the importance of Iman in fostering human values, and about the Tawheed, the introduction of Tawheed, and the importance of Tawheed and the impact of Tawheed. Impact means the consequence, the result of Tawheed. Let's start. First of all, we have to know what is called human values. Human values means values related to man in society. In other words, those activities, thoughts and ideas constitute human values which are compatible with man and human civilization. Students, human values when will be increased? Human values, what is called human values? In the society, nowadays, men are not giving the value to the human being. Why it's happening? Because we are totally forgot about the oneness of Almighty Allah. Those are strongly believe the Tawheed. Those are strongly believe why Almighty Allah has created the human beings. They will get the human values in the society, in the civilization. Why it's happening everywhere? Quarrel, the discipline, etc. Because we are totally forgot why Almighty Allah created. So when we will think about the creation, the reason of creation of Almighty Allah, then we can give the values to each other, the human. Well, now the second point, how to protect the human values. Man is ashraful makhlukat, or the best of the creations. So man's character, features and activities all should be excellent and best. In order to uphold human dignity and superiority, human values may be protected by cultivating noble qualities and ideas. My beloved students, Almighty Allah has created the human being as the ashraful makhlukat. It means best of all the creations. If you think just simply, rest of all the creations, Almighty Allah has created only for servicing to the human beings. So how important we are. So human values will be grow if we think about ourselves, and if we think why Almighty Allah has created, then inshallah we can be more dignified in the world and in the society. So our character, our behavior will be nice because Almighty Allah has selected the human beings as the ashraful makhlukat. So we cannot involve in the bad activities. Now, how to grow the human values? The basic implication of Iman is La ilaha illallah Muhammadur Rasulullah. A person believing in the creed bows down only before Allah. As a result, the dignity of man is elevated and human values are developed. Students, how to develop our human values? How to grow the human values? Students, when you will strongly believe about the oneness of Almighty Allah and you will say La ilaha illallah Muhammad Rasulullah, then our human values will be increased, develop, grow. Because this is the basic things. If you share with La ilaha illallah Muhammad Rasulullah any of the things, then our Iman will be looser, then our belief to the Almighty Allah will be something wrong. So that's why we will be very careful about the kalima tayyiba, I mean the first basic things of the Tawheed, of the Iman, of the human values. Well, now we will discuss about the Tawheed, which is related also about the human values. So what is called Tawheed? Introduction. Tawheed means monotheism. To accept and believe in the Allah, the Most High, as one and second to none is called Tawheed. So this is the definition, and I hope you will memorize this. So regarding this, Almighty Allah is saying, Laisa kamithlihi shay'un. There is nothing that resembles Him. Surah Ash-Shura, ayat number 11, Almighty Allah said it. So Laisa kamithlihi shay'un. Not only this ayat, Almighty Allah said about His oneness in Surah Ikhlas also. Qul huwallahu, Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Qul huwallahu ahad, Allahu samad, lam yalid wa lam yulad wa lam yakul lahu kufuwan ahad. So this surah is totally related to the oneness of Almighty Allah, or the Tawheed of Almighty Allah. Now, the importance of Tawheed. Why we need the Tawheed? Students, Tawheed is the first and the most dominant aspect of Iman. Without belief in Tawheed, no one can enter the fold of Iman or Islam. Prophets are struggled whole life to establish the teaching of Tawheed. My dearest students, Iman we can't see, it's invisible. But when we are losing our Iman, we don't know. So many of the activities nowadays we are facing, we are doing, but totally we forgot, we have no Iman. So this is very carefully we have to give the importance about the Iman. Never and ever we will share with the Almighty Allah any of the things in any situation. If anyone beheaded in the society, but we will never and ever share our creations, our God with another one. Now, impact of Tawheed. With faith in Tawheed, man admits the truth. Faith in Tawheed renders man self-conscious and self-respectful. Belief in Tawheed encourages man towards servitude to Allah and good deeds. Impact of Tawheed. If anyone believes about the Tawheed, then they can go ahead for doing the good deeds. For example, if you don't believe to the Wahid Nusar is our religion teacher, then you will not follow the religion teacher's activities or the commands. So at first you have to believe about your religion teacher is Wahid Nusar, he is our religion teacher and in the NIVS, then you can follow his orders and commands. So same as at first we have to believe our God, our creator is only Allah, then we can go to the next, we can go ahead for doing the next activities. So at first we have to make our belief strongly to the oneness of Almighty Allah. So that's all for today, my dear students. Now keep attention to the HW number 2, that is importance and impact of Tawheed. Students, keep attention, importance and impact of Tawheed. So from here you will write, by watching the YouTube this class, only these two parts you will do as the HW. You can do from your book, but I selected some important sentence from your book, so only this part is your HW. So to abide by your parents and keep practicing at home, and you are students of class 9, so give the importance every classes. So that's all for today, my dear students. See you next class, inshallah. Till then, assalamu alaikum.